Welcome, here I've got VIVO Y33s and let me show you how to manage camera watermarks at this device. So let's start by tapping on camera button to open it, and for now we are on standard photo mode. From here let's go to right corner button so we can open camera settings. Now we have to select a little bit to photo category, and here we can find watermark option, so let's pick it. Here we are. We get access here to 3 types of watermarks we can add to our photos: time watermark, model watermark and custom one. By using these 3 buttons from the right, we can easily turn them on and off as we need. As you can see, we can add just one of these, 2 or 3 at the same time, and when we turn on custom watermark, we can add our own watermark, our own content, as you can see, for example hard reset. Now we can save it here from the right, and let me keep turn it on all of these settings, and let's move back to camera to take a photo to see these watermarks at the real picture. Now we have to move to left to the button that follows us straight to the gallery, and this is my photo with watermarks in left corner at the bottom. We can get closer to them also here. So we have VIVO Y33s, device watermark with hard reset, custom one, and in the second line we have timestamp. And of course, when we don't need them or need another composition with that, we have to move back to camera, right corner settings, slide down, tap to watermark and manage this as we need, or just turn them off. And that's all. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.